Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can connect your PS5 controller to an iPhone or your Android phone. So this is pretty simple. I'll also have a video on how to connect a PS5 controller to a PS3, which is quite cool, so go check that one out. But the process is near enough the same on both, so I'm just going to get up on the Android phone for now, pair new device on your Bluetooth settings, then you want to get your PS5 controller. And see this button here and the PlayStation button, hold them down at the same time until they start flashing blue, and you should see in your Bluetooth settings wireless controller. So we'll click on that, pair wireless controller, and there, once it said it's paired, you can go and open a game and it will work. So while Minecraft's loading up, I'm going to do the same thing on the iPhone. So once again go to your Bluetooth settings, and on iPhone you don't need to click pair new device. Then get your PS5 controller, hold down, I think that's the share button and the PlayStation button, till it starts flashing again the same way. But on iPhone, instead of just saying wireless controller, it says DualSense wireless controller, because the iPhone actually knows what it is. It'll say connected. Now I don't actually have Minecraft purchased on iPhone. I have to use this fake Minecraft. But as you can see, look, on the Android phone, on actual Minecraft, this is working fine. So I'll go into my world, and it literally plays like you're playing on a PlayStation, but obviously you're not. But it works near enough exactly the same. All the controls will work as they would on your PlayStation or using any other controller on Android. And I'm getting beat up right now, but I don't have anything on this world anyway. And then, although I have my fake Minecraft here, it works exactly the same on iPhone with PS5 controller, and my fake Minecraft, obviously I have actual Minecraft, it'll be the same. Oh, now thinking of it, I could have actually installed Call of Duty Mobile or something to try this out instead. But yeah, any game on mobile that supports a controller, this will work with. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys come back for another one.